our slogan is all about the thinking. Use what you have, and when we use what you have, it's more than just a catchy phrase. It's a gentle nod toward being responsible online user. It's about truly appreciating the internet gives, taking them for granted, or worse, exploring them. Think of it as a reminder to be grateful and use grateful and use the internet wisely.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Dr. Horton A. Kitwar. Uh, so our slogan is use what you have. Use what you have. It also encourages us to be mindful of how much we're actually using the internet. Are we being excessive with our data? Are we making uh, thoughtful choices about what we do online? Use what you have is about maximizing the potential of the tools and platforms available to us for good, whether it's learning or something new, connecting with others, or expressing our creativity instead of getting caught up in harmful activities. So why we select this, and that what I say, encourage us to be mindful of how much we're actually using the internet. We use this as a we use this slogan, this use what you have, because of uh, they give us uh, awareness that why not we use internet in a proper way, in why not we use our internet based on what do we need. Huwag tayo magpasobra. We need to maximize our using internet to not harmful to others. Ultimately, it's a call to be creative, innovative, and ethical our online lives, ensuring we're not stepping on everyone's toes or causing harm to the online community. Yes. So the best thing is use what you have, because uh, to not causing harm to the online community. Example, kumuha ka ng libro sa library na sobrang dami pero hindi mo naman pala lahat gagamitin. Now how about the others that they need that book, they need that, then kinuha mo, how they can find that, how they can study that book. So what this saying is, ang kunin mo lang is yung anong meron ka at ano yung kailangan mo. Use what you have. And thank you, and I hope that this explanation give you a peaceful analyze, and I hope that uh, our slogan is good to you, ma'am. Thank you and wassalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.